The Bureau of Standards Jamaica joins the world in celebrating World Metrology Day 2022 under the theme Metrology in the Digital Era. This theme signifies the revolutionization of our community through digital technology, which is one of the most exciting trends in society today. Metrology is the science of measurement and plays an important role in every sector, including aviation, energy, healthcare, etc. Across the world, national metrology institutes continually advance measurement science by developing and validating new measurement techniques at various levels of sophistication as needed. The services of the BSJ support the national quality infrastructure of Jamaica, which consists of 4 pillars, metrology being prominent as one of those pillars. This speaks to the significance of this branch of science. In looking at the theme, I take this opportunity to highlight how the BSJ deliver metrology services in this digital era. The organization provides value to our customers by applying 1. Digitalization in issuing lab reports. Customers are also able to track the status of reports. 2. Digitalization in the execution of service level agreement. And 3. Digitization in terms of tools used in carrying out the services and measurement framework. And we continue to work on improving these measures. It is important that business operators have an awareness and appreciation that calibration is an important tool that is used to check the accuracy of measuring devices being used in their respective industry or sector, as they seek to satisfy their customers and provide a quality product or service. The BSJ is Jamaica's National Metrology Institute that provides this kind of service. The application of metrology provides the quality assurance that instruments used are in fact accurate and may be relied upon to make decisions and avoid measurable errors. As we celebrate World Metrology Day 2022, we must recognize the role of metrology in daily life in aspect of quality and safety relating to goods and services.